got signature breakfast roll.
Are nice.
You get me?
Still stripping. Oh my god. I didn't expect you to have the radiator off the wall. Surely you'll just paper over that bit, babe.
No. I'd rather the radiator off the wall now, babe.
What you like? Random times. We'll paint this wall first. Look at the state of this wall, man. Look at the state of this. You move the sofa out and you notice how filthy. Look at that. You can really see it on the camera, Jace. Oh, it's dreadful. Here's me spring cleaning this. Sod washing the walls down. We're going to paint the old bloody house, mate. Fumigate it.
It needs it.
Does what, fumigating?
No, it needs painting.
Bloody cheeky.
No, it needs painting, which is bogus. Don't bother painting anything.
I'm going to have to bleep over that bit. Bleep. Cheeky. So cheeky. So cheeky. Right, that's enough. So yeah, we've got to do a bit of polyfilling on this wall. I'm going to paint this. Then we're going to have a coffee. Then I bet you Rowan will be up. Like, that looks like a cobweb, doesn't it? I thought, oh, I'll get the hoover on that. That's a mark, mate. Oh, no, it's a cobweb.
Babe.
Oh, it is a cobweb. Oh, good. That's good then. That's
We'll
less
have
than
a
that.
coffee. I'll put the radiator back on.
There was a picture there. I haven't just left that cobweb there. I didn't know it was there. Hey?
I'll put the radiator back on the wall.
Yeah, put the radiator back on the wall. Have a coffee. Get the new wallpaper. Look, it's carnage in here. It's absolute carnage. We've got a curtain down there. Sort of packing for our holiday in May. Because I've got all the... What did I do, Jay? I got all the holiday boxes from under the bed. So we've sort of packed. We're only taking hand luggage each. So we can shop and bring some clothes back. So literally, like, Jason's pal's there. And I need to buy a suitcase on Friday. So that pal's going to be there till Friday. I bet you any money. No, it won't. I will pick it up and put it away. But we've sorted everything out. I've got the kids' bits over there. Rowan's toys, my wallpaper and all the wallpaper and stuff. And then I've got my paint on scrap paper so I don't damage my lovely table. I love these tables from B&M. So nice. I don't care if they were a trend last year. They're staying. Because I love Art Deco stuff. So, and old-fashioned furniture and stuff. So, just a bit mad. Needs a good tidy. And there's all the new toy boxes. My new lamps. Getting there. And Rowan's car's runner. This accidentally came back with us from holiday. So I've washed it and I need to message Disney and ask if I can keep it or send it back or pay for it or whatever. So if they're happy for me to keep it, I'll donate some money to a Disney charity. There's a really great one of kids. What's it? The one in America, Jace? Give Kids the World. Kids the World in America. And they help like disabled children, sick children, children dying of cancer, all that sort of thing. Children that need extra care and have nurses on hand and everything. To actually get a Disney holiday, like the sort of children that you really wouldn't be able to take on your own without that support, which I think is fantastic. So yeah, that's basically it. So catch up in a little bit when we've got a little bit more done.
Mm-hmm.
Are you helping us decorate? I've not stopped. One piece is up. Oh, we're tired, aren't we? Daddy's gone to get fish and chips. Hell am I cooking after a day today? I don't feel like I've stopped for 1 second today. Yay. Good boy. You good boy. So I've just had a little go at wallpapering. And there is a tiny bit you can see here that Jason's just got to do the seam, but I couldn't wait. So I've literally just whacked that up to see if it matches. Otherwise I'm like, oh, but I think it looks fab. So I think when it's finished, it's going to look so good. Like I literally, it just feels a bit like a dream. It just feels so luxurious, like beyond luxurious for us. Like it just looks really smart, really grown up, and I don't know, I just feel a bit like I just feel a bit Instagrammy, you know, a bit like bling bling, like, oh, look at my nails against my wallpaper sort of thing. I desperately need them done. Look, terrible, they're terrible. I don't even know if I'm going to have time to get them done before Valentine's, which is awful because they're just going to probably fall off, aren't they? But anyway, left for the nails. So yeah, that's it. So we've got the rest of this wall to do. That's Jason's markings for where the picture is going to go. So yeah, and it was a bit tricky behind the wall, the radiator. I had to sort of take the radiator off, but I think he's done a great job. It looks lovely. So we're just going to crack on with the rest. Nearly done a wall, haven't you, babe?
Yeah.
What do you think to it?
I don't care.
Seen stars yet?
No, it's not too bad.
It's easy
We've
to
done worse.
match up, isn't it?
Yeah.
You've done worse?
We've done worse in one of Ida's papers, wasn't it?
Huh?
One of Ida's papers was worse, wasn't it?
Oh, that pink bird
Yeah.
wallpaper. Just, yeah. In an old house, in an old street. Do you need my help?
With a cool name, yeah.
Yeah, we
The Mystic.
Mystic Corner we used to live in. We don't live there anymore. Can't say where we live now, but it's nowhere near as exotic as Mystic Corner. That's my picture. We've got one seam that Jason's got to go over and do, but he's just going to finish his wall before doing that. Put the other picture up. It is very glitzy, and the seams are a nightmare to glue down, aren't they, Jason?
Yeah.
So it's a bit seamy, unfortunately. But nothing we can do about it. So we've done our best. We're not professionals. But it looks pretty good. It looks pretty designer. It's very glitzy. Yeah, look at that. Stunning it is. It's really like, wow. You turn the light off. Oh, you can't from that end. Dodgy filming. And then it looks sort of goldish.
Yeah.
When the bright light's not on. The bright light's not on it. So it's quite cosy, isn't it, actually? It's not...
Yeah, it's nice. It doesn't feel cold.
No, I think it feels warmer, actually. The room feels warmer because it's a bit more like... It looks more grey gold when...
When you do it
the lights off.
can't you?
Yeah. Well... And then that's the old wallpaper, so... It's a lot lighter. And then spin you all the way back round. We've just finished painting this wall. Put my picture back up. And yeah, it's a lot warmer. And then I got to help cut the bottom of that. It's my job, cutting the bottoms.